under me right here is a full carbon fiber package for the 458 Ferrari. This is actually for a 458 Spider that we are doing. It's a gorgeous car, black on red Spider. We have BBS LMRs on it. We have Novitec springs on it already, and we have a full FI exhaust with headers on there. So she's gonna scream. And now we're also gonna add a bunch of carbon fiber parts. These are like OEM like carbon fiber parts. So we're not doing like a full-blown body kit. It's gonna be little accessories added on. The diffuser, of course, you gotta have that. These two front pieces go on the front bumper. We got mirrors, we got tail light, the rear bumper surrounds, and then we also have this beautiful piece everybody knows about. So this goes like on the back of it, and we have window triangles, and then we have door sills. So quite a bit of carbon fiber going on here, and we have the rear bumper off right now for the exhaust, so we're going to be installing the rear end and the rest of it, and then hopefully be able to shoot it for you guys for this video. Alright, we are standing behind the lovely 458 Ferrari. We just got finished up installing the full FI exhaust system. This has headers, it has the bypass cap pipes, and it has the rear muffler valve section. Obviously, as you can see, the signature three tips for the 458 Ferrari. And it comes with this pretty crazy looking remote. It looks crazier than a car key, to be honest. 2 buttons. This is for the valves on the exhaust system, because this thing is gonna be insanely loud. It's probably going to be one of the loudest cars we've had here. You guys already know the SVJs are usually the loudest, but I think this is going to be even more piercing loud than the SVJ straight pipes. So let's go ahead, give it a start up, and see how she sounds. Did not go over 3,000 RPM there. So I showed you guys the difference between the on and off on the valves. Significant difference, because this thing, no valves, you can't drive this thing everywhere. You're gonna have a lot of problems. So I don't know, it's a car shop. So we're gonna take it out for a spin. I can't rev it in here. All of our ears are gonna explode, even though it's already exploding already. But we're gonna add the carbon fiber stuff and take it out for a spin. Guys, we are standing in front of this Ferrari 458. We installed a full FI exhaust system with headers, cat deletes, rear valve muffler. This thing screams. It's a Spider, as you can see. I was too scared to put the top down during the rolling shots as it was so loud. The beauty of this system is it has a nice remote system and it controls the valves on the muffler, and it goes from like insanely loud to almost stock quiet. It's actually very, very impressive. I wouldn't believe there's going to be that drastic difference between the sound, but there is. We installed BBS LMRs, Novitec springs, carbon fiber throughout. We still have a little bit of carbon fiber to install on the front bumper and the mirrors, but we wanted to film this with the sound for you guys. Guys, we are standing next to this lovely Urus Performante. This is a wide body car that we did. It has full satin clear bra on there, beautiful car. My God. There's some serious shit going down over there. We're changing a roof of a Kia. Yeah, while we're talking about Ferraris and Lambos, that's what's happening. But Capristo, this is the brand new version 2 Capristo exhaust, and it has the new Performante tips. We're the first ones that I know of that have done this. And the Capristo exhaust is the best for this. Sounds amazing. I have it on my car. But yeah, the tips look great and it sounds great. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys so you hear it. This car has a Strada mode, which is quiet. It has a Sport mode, which is like a medium, and it has the Corsa, which is the loudest. So let's go ahead and start it. All right, we are standing in front of this Aventador right here. You will notice this has an Aventador S front, but this is a regular Aventador. And you will notice it has a lot of things going on. You got a carbon fiber hood, you got a black bumper, you got a balloon white paint, and you got some matte white on it. The matte white is a wrap, the balloon white is a factory color, and this is actually a bumper we bought off a black Aventador S for the customer, and it had a few little dirts on it in the paint, so we sanded it. And when you sand it and you wrap over it, it's smooth, you don't see any of the dirt, so that's why you see it like that. Customer didn't want to paint it for now, so we're actually going to be rewrapping this car in a Nardo gray color. So all the wrap is coming off, body parts are coming off, and we're going to be wrapping it in Nardo gray gloss. And it's gonna look very, very nice when we're done. Of course, it's got the carbon fiber kit throughout. We did all of that. We did the wheels on it. It's constant color changes for our customers whenever they want. Seasons change the color of your cars. So hit us up if you wanna do some wrap work. We're doing it all in-house again, in our facilities, doing it the right way.
He just flipped it off and left.
I thought he didn't like it. All right, you guys, so a couple of things happening right behind us, right? 1, Impala, 2, Challenger. This Challenger was the one that had a complete paint job. We're getting ready for the fun stuff now. Wheels, tires, coilovers. We're gonna do the exhaust tips. We're gonna do interior work. Now the fun stuff is gonna come, where the car's gonna be completely put together. You guys will see how nice it's gonna be when it's done. This Impala is another story. We have an oil leak. The oil leak is repaired already. Now we're doing the oil leak. Javier's getting it done, and ready for pickup.
No, let me cut it.
Ah! Ow!
Pull it. I'm not trying to pull it. Let me just cut it from over there. Trust me, I know what I'm saying.
Get the
I'm not pulling it. Chill out. I'm not pulling it. I'm not pulling it. Why are you tripping out? Let me just cut it a little bit.
No!
You guys want me to cut it? Just a little bit. They want to see it?
No. You know what they want.
Little bit. Like that much, even less.
No.
2 minutes if I cut this. Trust me, and watch if it does.
No.
A little bit. Like a little bit. This much.
No, man.
You're not even gonna know our cut.
No.
Are you actually cutting it? You cut a little strip.
2 strips.
That was a long haircut.
No, it was 2 strips. You can't even tell. Let me see. Can't even tell.
Can't even tell.
A motorcycle. Jeez.
That's sick.
Like the video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.